Traders, looking at US oil, this was an idea I posted recently and it worked out quite nicely. So I'm looking at a similar idea here. Okay, we're on a bullish run at the moment. So I'm looking for a retrace down into, well, just mark up this low and we'll find an entry point. We've got this high, so we're working between this price swing here. Swing low, swing high. 50% runs through about here. I'm looking for a discount, so I would be looking at potentially entering around the 84.60 level, something like that. If it fails to pull back, I'm happy to let it go. But that's what I'll be looking for now. Targets, I am looking at, well, just see what we've got. If we look left, actually, I'm going to project forward with a Fibonacci. I'll just pull the Fibonacci low to high. Alright, so target 1 will be the high here. So there's T1. Target 2 under the 50 projected 50% here. So what I'm doing is I'm projecting this price swing low to swing high. 50% of this price swing projected bullish gives us this level up here, and then 100% projected takes us up to here. So there's a couple of targets just at the low, something like that. Okay, 3 targets there to consider. Stop loss would go under. Okay, so we've got, well, this support zone under here. So there's your stop under here, an entry point around the 61.8 and 3 targets. Now that's my take on US oil at the moment. With that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.